Join us as we explore the vibrant and historic city of Barcelona, uncovering the top spots every traveler must visit. From the soaring heights of Gaudí's Sagrada Familia to the lively bustle of Las Ramblas, we'll delve into the heart of this Catalan treasure. Our journey will take us through ancient streets, into world-renowned museums, and offer breathtaking views from verdant hillsides. So come along, let's step into the sunshine and feel the pulse of Barcelona. Our exploration begins with an icon, a masterpiece that has graced the Barcelona skyline for over a century, yet remains tantalizingly unfinished, the Sagrada Familia. This basilica, the brainchild of the visionary architect Antoni Gaudí, is a testament to human ambition and artistic genius. Inside the Sagrada Familia is a symphony of light and color. Sunlight streams through stained glass windows, painting the vast interior with an ever-changing tapestry of hues. Gaudí, a devout Catholic, conceived the Sagrada Familia as a hymn of praise, a physical manifestation of his faith. Today, the Sagrada Familia remains a work in progress, with construction ongoing. As we leave the Sagrada Familia behind, let its grandeur inspire us as we continue our exploration of this remarkable city. From the serenity of the Sagrada Familia, we descend into the heart of Barcelona's bustling energy, Las Ramblas. This iconic boulevard, a tree-lined promenade that stretches for over a kilometre, is the city's beating heart, a place where locals and tourists converge. The air is alive with the scent of freshly brewed coffee, mingling with the sweet aroma of churros from nearby cafes. Street musicians serenade passers-by with lively flamenco rhythms, their music adding to the symphony of the city. Be sure to stop by the Mercat de la Boqueria, a feast for the senses with its colourful displays of fresh produce, seafood and local delicacies. As the sun begins to set, casting long shadows across the boulevard, Las Ramblas takes on a magical quality. Prepare to be transported into a world of fantasy and imagination as we ascend to Park Güell, another of Antoni Gaudí's architectural masterpieces. Perched high above the city, this whimsical park offers breathtaking panoramic views of Barcelona and a glimpse into the boundless creativity of its designer. Curving benches adorned with colourful mosaics snake through the park, inviting you to pause and soak in the views. Don't miss the iconic salamander fountain, its glistening scales crafted from broken ceramic tiles. Above, the hypostyle room, supported by towering tree-like columns, creates a sense of awe and wonder. From the park's highest point, take a moment to appreciate the panoramic vista that unfolds before you. As we descend from Park Güell, let the echoes of Gaudí's creativity linger in our minds as we continue our exploration of Barcelona's diverse offerings. Our journey now takes us back in time to the heart of Barcelona's history as we delve into the labyrinthine streets of the Gothic Quarter. Here, amidst narrow, winding alleyways and ancient stone buildings, the echoes of the city's medieval past still resonate. As you enter the Gothic Quarter, you'll feel a sense of stepping back in time. The air is thick with history, the streets paved with stones worn smooth by centuries of footsteps. At the heart of the Gothic Quarter lies the Barcelona Cathedral, a magnificent example of Catalan Gothic architecture. Step inside and you'll be awestruck by the soaring arches and stained glass windows that bathe the interior in a kaleidoscope of colours. As you wander through the Gothic Quarter, be sure to explore its hidden squares, each with its own unique character and charm. Stop for a coffee at a sidewalk cafe, soaking in the atmosphere and watching the world go by. As evening descends, the Gothic Quarter takes on a magical quality. The Gothic Quarter, with its rich history and vibrant nightlife, offers a glimpse into the soul of Barcelona. We turn now from the grandeur of architecture to the intimacy of art, as we step into the world of one of the 20th century's most influential artists, Pablo Picasso. The Picasso Museum, housed in 5 interconnected medieval palaces in the heart of the Gothic Quarter, offers a fascinating glimpse into the artist's formative years and his enduring connection to Barcelona. The museum's collection, one of the most comprehensive in the world, traces Picasso's artistic evolution from his early academic works to his groundbreaking Cubist masterpieces. Witness his artistic language evolve as he experiments with different styles, including symbolism, impressionism, and post-impressionism. The museum's collection of Picasso's Blue Period works offers a poignant window into the artist's emotional landscape during this time. As we leave the Picasso Museum, we carry with us a deeper understanding of the artist's genius and his profound connection to the city of Barcelona. As twilight descends on Barcelona, we make our way to the foot of Montjuïc, where a spectacle of water, light and music awaits, the magic fountain of Montjuïc. This iconic fountain, built for the 1929 International Exposition, is a true feast for the senses. As darkness falls, the fountain comes to life, its jets of water dancing in perfect synchronization to a soundtrack of classical music, film scores and popular hits. The water, illuminated by a kaleidoscope of colors, seems to defy gravity, soaring into the night sky before cascading back down in a shimmering curtain. The fountain shows are particularly breathtaking on weekend evenings when the crowds gather to witness the spectacle. As the final notes of music fade and the lights dim, we're left with a sense of wonder and enchantment. For fans of the beautiful game, a pilgrimage to Barcelona wouldn't be complete without a visit to Camp Nou, the legendary home of FC Barcelona. More than just a stadium, Camp Nou is a temple of football, a place where legends are made and dreams are realized. As you step into the stadium, you'll be struck by its sheer immensity. With a capacity of over 99,000, Camp Nou is the largest stadium in Europe, a colossal cauldron of noise and passion on match days. Walk through the players' tunnel, imagining the nerves and excitement they feel as they prepare to step onto the hallowed turf. The museum at Camp Nou is a treasure trove of FC Barcelona memorabilia, tracing the club's illustrious history from its humble beginnings to its status as one of the world's most successful football clubs. As we leave Camp Nou, we carry with us the echoes of the crowd, the thrill of victory and the memories of footballing legends. From the excitement of Camp Nou, we head for the Mediterranean coast and the golden sands of Barcelona Beach, Barcelona's most popular stretch of coastline. Here, the pace of life slows, the air is filled with the sound of waves crashing against the shore, and the scent of sunscreen mingles with the salty tang of the sea. Barceloneta Beach is a hive of activity, a place where locals and tourists alike come to soak up the sun, cool off in the Mediterranean waters, and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. Stroll along the promenade, lined with seafood restaurants and beach bars, and feel the sand between your toes. Rent a sun lounger and umbrella and spend the afternoon basking in the Mediterranean sun. Take a dip in the refreshing waters or try your hand at one of the many water sports on offer. As the sun begins its descent, find a spot on the sand and watch as the sky explodes in a riot of colors. After a day of sun, sand and sea, indulge in a delicious seafood dinner at one of the many restaurants lining the promenade. Barceloneta Beach, with its relaxed vibe, golden sands and delicious seafood, offers the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. We return to the realm of architectural wonders, this time to a building that seems to have sprung from the pages of a fairy tale, Casa Batlló. Designed by the visionary Antoni Gaudí, Casa Batlló is a masterpiece of Catalan modernism, a riot of color, shape and texture that captures the imagination. As you approach Casa Batlló, you'll be struck by its unusual facade, which resembles the skeleton of a mythical creature. Step inside and you'll be transported into a world of fantasy and imagination. The highlight of any visit to Casa Batlló is the rooftop terrace, with its iconic dragonback design, covered in colourful tiles and adorned with whimsical chimneys. The rooftop terrace offers stunning views of Passeig de Gràcia. As we bid farewell to Casa Batlló, we carry with us a sense of wonder and inspiration. Our journey through Barcelona culminates in a place of serenity and breathtaking beauty high above the city, where the jagged peaks of Montserrat pierce the sky, the Montserrat Monastery. This Benedictine monastery, perched precariously on the side of a mountain, has been a place of pilgrimage and spiritual retreat for centuries. The journey to Montserrat is an adventure in itself. Upon arriving at the monastery, you'll be struck by its sense of tranquility and isolation. At the heart of the monastery lies the basilica, home to the Black Madonna of Montserrat, a revered statue of the Virgin Mary that is said to have miraculous powers. For those seeking even more breathtaking views, a funicular railway ascends to the summit of Sant Jeroni, the highest peak in Montserrat. As we descend from Montserrat, we carry with us a sense of peace and awe. Thank you for exploring Barcelona with us. From the awe-inspiring architecture of Gaudí to the vibrant energy of Las Ramblas, we've uncovered the essence of this captivating city. We hope this journey has inspired you to plan your own adventure to Barcelona, to wander its enchanting streets, savor its culinary delights, and create your own memories in this Mediterranean gem. There's always something new to discover in Barcelona, a city that never ceases to amaze. Don't forget to subscribe to YouSpot for more interesting facts about incredible destinations. We'll take you on a journey to all corners of the globe, uncovering hidden gems and sharing the wonders of our planet. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep the spirit of adventure alive.